Hi guys, welcome to Quarantine Life. I am so sick of my old fake acrylic nails and decided to take matters into my own hands. Today's video is the first of two-part series of how to remove acrylic nails from home and prep them for natural perfection. So if you are in the same situation as me and want to remove your acrylic nails from home easily and safely, today is a great day. So let's get started. Always take precaution to safeguard your work surface by using appropriate materials to cover and protect. Trim your nails to the desired length by using a large nail clipper. The shorter the length will make the acrylic removal process much easier and quicker. My nails are looking a lot better already. It is time to file down your nails. My suggestion is to use a 100 or 150 grit nail file. Unfortunately, I didn't have one at my disposal and used an old one at home. This step buffs the nail surface enough to allow the acetone nail polish remover to do its work. It's important to use the right kind of nail polish remover. With my first hand, I mistakenly used a nail polish remover for natural nails, and it wasn't effective. Yes, it did remove the gel nail polish, but didn't make a dent into my acrylic layer. What a bummer. Thank goodness my daughter noticed my oversight. This professional strength 100% acetone nail polish remover is exactly what I needed. It removes gel nail polish and lifts away artificial nails. I need to remind you to allow both time and patience with removing your acrylic nails. You will need to soak your nails for 30 minutes, and in my case it was closer to 45 minutes, and carefully scrape the acrylic layer with the cuticle pusher. Be careful to not harm your natural nail bed. I found it helpful to check my nails every 10 minutes and gently remove any loose acrylic layers during the soaking process. And again, the soaking process can take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. So again, take your time. Here are my natural nails. I know they look a little beat up, but we're down to the basics now. All right, I feel a lot more confident now in removing my acrylic nails, and so we'll go ahead and get started on my right nail and go through the same steps. I don't know why clipping my acrylic nails freaked me out so much, but I'm glad I could do it. Oh, how I wished I had a brand new nail file, but this was all that I had at home, an old one, and I just made it work even though it took such a long time. Remember to use a professional strength 100% acetone nail polish remover, or otherwise this process will take forever. Having a timer or a clock or watch on hand is so helpful, and putting the solution in a glass dish is the safest way to go. I know it's really tempting to use the cuticle nail pusher to just scrape that acrylic layer right off your nails, but please do not do that. The skin around your nails are really sensitive right now as they've been soaking in the acetone solution, and we want to really give our nail beds a lot of TLC by protecting it. So again, take your time in removing the acrylic layer. I would have to say it's really satisfying to be able to take matters in my own hands and remove my acrylics from home, especially during the quarantine time. And I hope that this video has been really helpful. So if you have any questions, tips, or comments, do leave it below. Wow, these acrylic layers are on so thick. Wouldn't you guys agree that the best feeling in this process is bringing that cuticle pusher up to the acrylic and it just goes off without resistance? Okay, we are done. My nails are back to its natural state. Yes, they do look beat up and quite damaged. I've had acrylic nails for a long time, In the meantime, I'm going to trim my nails, file them, buff them, and polish them to get them in a better state. I will be honest with you guys, it was really disappointing and frustrating to see how brittle and damaged my nails were. And it is definitely true that acrylic nails and gel manicures do harm to your nails. And right now, it's just the perfect time to give them a break. Stay tuned for the second video of this series where I will show you how to repair damaged nails and get them looking their best. Thank you so much for watching.